guys, and welcome back to another video. This one is an unboxing and a try-on. I can't really say it's a haul because it's only one item, but there's a brand called Emmaka they sell on Amazon that sent me a shirt for free to try on and share with you guys. So it's a 3/4 sleeve shirt. I chose the color blue for mine. They also have them in black, red, and purple. I am going to include the listing down below. These usually retail for $21.99. Right now they're on sale for $19.99. Piece of cardboard in there. So the neckline looks like so. Actually reminds me very much of a shirt that I have by Jones of New York. And this is actually really nice. It's like soft cotton and everything, almost like brushed cotton. Does it have a tag anywhere with care instructions? Let's take a look. It does. It's 35% cotton, 60% polyester, 5% spandex. Water wash, do not bleach, do not iron, do not dry clean, do not tumble dry. Well, that's cool, because I line dry most of my stuff anyway. I guess water wash, do they mean hand wash? I'm not entirely sure. I may try it on the gentlest cycle in a lingerie bag with no bleach. But yeah, so it's really cute. I'm gonna try it on and show you guys how it looks. And again, include the listing down below, so if you guys want one, you can grab one. Okay, with the shirt on, it is super duper soft. They are not paying me to say anything. This is not a paid sponsorship. The shirt's free, but the opinions are my own. But this, like, legit is one of the comfiest shirts I've worn in quite a while. And it's got options. I mean, yeah, I know I'm a little chubby, but I mean, like, untucked, it looks good. You could tuck it in, and I mean, don't mind me looking weird while I do it, but, works that way too. I mean, if you're confident in your body image, you could even do like a bunched side, like tied one side, be really cute. I think I like it better tucked in personally, but I mean, that's just me. But it's so comfy, and just knowing that they have these in different colors too, like I'm personally tempted to pick some of the others up because I really like this one. Granted, I'm itty bitty. This is supposed to be 3/4 sleeve length, but because I have short little T-Rex arms, it's basically full sleeves on me. But for people with normal length arms, it's like 3/4 sleeves length. But still, this is super comfy. Like, I just have to share it with you guys. I mean, yeah. So, I mean, for the back, for the front, it's good stuff. It is good stuff. Okay, so I've got the link to the listing down below in the description box. Easy to find for anybody who's interested in buying one of these. They have them not only in multiple colors, but also in multiple sizes. Everything from small to, I think, extra large, maybe even extra extra. I'd have to go check, but mine personally is a medium, and I was worried about the sizing initially. Since being an Asian brand, I wasn't sure if they were going to use Chinese sizing, which runs very small usually, but I ordered a medium, which is what I'd normally be in shirts, and honestly, it fits exactly like a US medium. So whatever you would normally get your normal size, because these do wear just like normal US sizes. You don't have to worry about wonky sizing or anything. So if you're interested, it's there. If not, no biggie. Just wanted to share with you because honestly, it's a pretty cool brand. And I haven't gone into their Amazon store to see if they have other listings. I have a feeling if they sell these, they probably have other products too, but this is pretty good, and I am definitely highly considering getting this in some other colors too, because why not? When I like it this much, why not? So, anyways. that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more is all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.